Hello again, college algebra students. Trying to help you with a little chapter 3 and 4 topics. It's been a couple weeks ago. We were working hard on all this stuff, but I found some problems on your quiz, or similar problems on your quiz. So once I start talking about the vertex of these parabolas, I think I'm into section 3, but this is on your quiz in chapter 3. So this says find the vertex. Okay, well. So we've learned that there's a little formula to get the x value of the vertex. It's negative b over 2a. And then to get the y value, you take this x value and plug it in to get the y value of the vertex. The vertex is a point. It's got two parts. It's got an x and a y value. Let's see if we can find it. So using the formula here, negative b is negative 16 over 2 times a. That's pretty easy. That's negative 16 over 8. That's the a. Negative 16 over 8. Negative 16 over 8 is 2. Negative 2, sorry. Negative 2. All right, well, that's the x value of the vertex. And in order to find the y value, we have to plug this into the function to see what we get. Here we go. That's a negative 2 squared. 16 times negative 2 plus 13. Here we go. Let's see, that's 4 times that other 4. That's 16. That's negative 32 plus 13. Okay, make sure you do this right. It's negative 16 plus 13. I guess that's negative 3. That's the y value of the vertex. So, cool. That's not too bad. Find the vertex. You need this little formula, and you need to plug it in to get the y value. You find the x value, you plug it in to get the y value. It's not that bad. Again, that's the end of this question. And again, your quiz question would be multiple choice. I guess that you could find the vertex. You know, I like to relate it back to the graph of the parabola. Let's just really quickly try this. If the vertex is negative 2, negative 3, that's over here, negative 2, negative 3, right about here. And let's see. This is a parabola. Does it open up or does it open down? Is it right side up or upside down? Well, that positive leading coefficient makes it open up. And by the way, that 4 makes it rather stretched, vertically stretched. But I'll just draw a little parabola here. Oh, one thing I know, just for fun, I was going to draw a nice upwards parabola here. Just for fun, if you plug in a 0 for x, you do get the y-intercept, which happens to be 13 here. So negative 2, negative 3 was the vertex. But here it is, this skinny parabola comes up here, crosses the y-axis at 13. So there's a pretty good picture of this guy. Again, a little more than the question wanted, but I like to talk about that. Here's another one for you, number 12. It said Scott has a hot dog stand. I don't think it was Scott, somebody else. But anyway, he has this hot dog stand, and this is his profit formula. And X is the number of hot dogs. So if he sells these hot dogs, X is the number of hot dogs he sells, and the Y value, the P of X, is his profit. And then they ask this question: what is the most he can earn? The most he can earn. So they don't really say find the vertex, but that's finding the vertex. Why is that? Because we're looking for the most, the maximum or the minimum. The maximum or the minimum is the vertex on a parabola. And we've talked about that before. In this case, by the way, it's an upside down parabola, and the vertex will be a maximum. So I'm looking for the maximum. So I'm looking for the vertex. And therefore, I'll do this again. I'll find x equals negative b over 2 times a. Now that a is a negative 1, negative b over 2. Okay, negative 16 over negative 2, that's a positive 8. Now that's not the answer. That's x, and that's the number of hot dogs he should sell for maximum profit, I suppose. I don't know why it's only 8 hot dogs, but anyway, if he sells 8 hot dogs, he'll have a maximum profit. What I want is the most he can earn. I want the profit. I want the y value. So I plug this in to get the y value. P of 8 is negative 8 squared. Be careful with that. Plus 16 times 8 plus 73. So that is 8 squared, which is 64, but then it's negated. Negative 64. 16 times 8 is 128 plus 73. This is going to be the answer here. That's 64 plus 73. When I add those, that's a 64. Plus 73, $137. It was in dollars. That's the most he can earn. That's the maximum profit for his little hot dog stand. So these questions are on your quiz, and or very similar questions are on your quiz, so I'm just trying to help you a little bit. All right, good luck.